take the screenshot of the summary that I have given in the printed form. And now we are going to understand one by one. First, the definition of a quadratic equation. Okay. Recall that you have studied in polynomial chapters an expression of this type, okay, in single variable having the power 2 is called a polynomial of degree 2. Now in this chapter, this is expressed as an equation. And here is an interesting matter that based on this fact, a is not equal to 0, you will do a lot of standard exam related problems. How it is, we shall see in the corresponding topic. Okay. So, and the previously known zeros of such a polynomial is now known as the solution or the roots of the equation. Second point you see there in the printed list that how many methods are there. There were actually 3 methods. One has been deleted. So, leaving that thing, I am showing you 2 methods. Factorization method and quadratic formula. Equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus root over v square minus 4ac by 2. Now what has been deleted in your course, that was the solution finding by completing the square. Actually this is the formula also derived by completing the square. So this is the meaningful thing actually, and that was a meaningless thing or unnecessary thing was introduced. Remember this thing. Discriminant is denoted by d and equal to b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4 times a into c. Whenever you will get such a standard equation, you can find out the discriminant. Okay. Use of the discriminant of a quadratic equation. If d is found to be greater than 0, then it means that the equation will have 2 distinct real roots. And d is equal to 0 means 2 equal real roots, which can be integer or fraction, that does not matter. Okay. And if it is found that this quantity d is equal to b square minus 4ac is negative, then these are imaginary numbers not in our syllabus. Okay, so you can say that no real roots exist. These 3 things are very important to remember. Now let us practice one problem. Some questions have been given in exercise 4.1. Check whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Solution. On left side and right side, you simplify the things and then transpose the terms to left side, and so that the right side is equal to 0. See here, twice x common, it will be cutting. Okay, so remaining x square, and here plus is there. If you transpose this term, it will be plus 6. So totally plus 7 equal to 0. And you know that even though the middle term is not there, still it is called down. See that x square coefficient is 1, but even though it is vanishing, you can show that 0 into x plus 7. No wrong actually, because in the given polynomial standard equation, a, b, c are real numbers. Only a cannot be 0. This is the restriction. So you can show that there x exists with the 0 coefficient and plus 7 is equal to 0, which is of the form, so x square plus bx plus is equal to 0. Okay, these are not possible exam questions, but maybe in terms of objective questions. Okay, now we are taking one important problem from exercise 4.2, which is based on factorization method. The question was like that: solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. This is the equation. So I am directly taking in solution 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Already you know that factorization method of quadratic polynomial, you have known that it is factorizing the middle term into 2 parts such that the sum of them again becomes this, and the product will be equal to the coefficient of x square and the constant term. Okay, here 2 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4, which is again difficult to factorize. So in this case, first of all, we have to convert it to integer numbers. Implies multiplied by 8 on both sides. So it will be 16x square and here 8 and then plus 1 equal to 0 into 8, 0 again. Okay, Now you think this 16 into 1 is equal to plus 16 and here minus 8x is given. Okay, so how to factorize? We can factorize like that. See, I have split the term into minus 4 minus 4. Okay, so that minus minus plus, it will be again this product. By simplifying and factorizing, we have got 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Today we are finishing here. Because of my initial setup, actually, I am facing some difficulty in smooth maintenance. Okay, expecting that you will get good in near future.